Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom, brought to you by Petra Worldwide. Here is Nathan Weaver.
Greetings and welcome to Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom. I'm Nathan Weaver, founder and executive director of Petra Worldwide. As entrepreneurs build their empires, they face an unavoidable rising overhead cost that strikes at their personal longevity as well as their corporate balance sheets. It's called healthcare. Many people view medical expenses as a pure, unmitigated cash drain. They pay premium rates for insurance, they shell out thousands of dollars in deductibles, and they watch their hard-earned capital exit their treasury after taxes. The crowd handles this by defaulting to traditional coping mechanisms, using standard checking accounts or flexible spending accounts that force you to use it or lose it by the end of the calendar year. Now, the aggressive, wise leader looks for structural loopholes. They ask the questions, how can I turn this unavoidable life expense into a compounding asset? How can I force the IRS to subsidize my family's physical health? And the answer lies in a heavily underutilized financial instrument. It's called the health savings account, or you may have heard of it as an HSA. When properly engineered, the HSA operates not as a medical rainy day fund, but as a single most powerful tax shelter allowed under the IRS code. So today I'm going to break down the mechanics of the triple tax advantage and expose how to transform medical overhead into an uncompromising retirement engine. To appreciate the sovereign nature of the health savings account, you must understand that the standard retirement vehicles like a traditional IRA or Roth IRA are structurally compromised. A traditional IRA gives you a tax break today, but taxes you when you withdraw the money tomorrow. The Roth IRA forces you to pay taxes today so you can withdraw tax-free tomorrow. They are dual-phase vehicles. You are taxed on one end or the other end in this scenario.
Pastors and financial leaders, do you need expert accounting or tax help? Do you have payroll or 1099 questions? Do you need a ministry expert to help you acquire real estate for your next project? If the answer is yes, yes, and yes, visit petraworldwide.org. Petra Worldwide has been strengthening ministries to transform humanity since 2007. Visit petraworldwide.org or call 855-481-9095.
The health savings account is the only financial vehicle in existence that delivers a triple tax advantage, completely bypassing the IRS at entrance, during its accumulation, and at its exit. So let's look at these one by one. Advantage number one, tax-deductible contributions. Every dollar you contribute to the health savings account lowers your adjusted gross income dollar for dollar. That's the first way. Advantage number two, tax-free growth. Once inside this health savings account, the capital does not sit dead in like a low yield savings account. It's being invested by a brokerage firm, and that is creating growth. Advantage number three is tax-free distributions. When you withdraw the capital from the health savings account to pay a qualified medical expense, ranging from a simple doctor's visit to prescription for dental work, surgeries, the distribution is entirely tax-free. So here's a pro tip when you're thinking about a health savings account, because while the health savings account is highly efficient, True Wealth Masterclass deploys an advanced maneuver called a shoebox strategy, because the IRS enforces a fascinating rule regarding health savings distributions. There is no statutory deadline or expiration date on when you must reimburse yourself for medical expenses. If you haven't looked at this vehicle seriously, consider it. I'm Nathan Weaver. Lead with confidence, live with integrity, and build something that lasts.
Listen every day at 4 p.m. for Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom, brought to you by Petra Worldwide, strengthening ministries to transform humanity. On the web at petraworldwide.org.